Hello Zickers! In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top Christmas related products to add to your dropshipping store. We're slowly entering what I call the peak of the rush, when buyers, especially those who wait until the last minute, want to buy gifts to share with their loved ones during Christmas holiday, which occurs in December 25th. Now, what happens when hundreds of millions are rushing to buy gifts? Well, jackpot. This is what makes November and part of December the best months for online sales. And buying gifts online is a great idea. There is no need to wait in endless lines, and the products can be delivered right to the buyer's doorstep. So it's pretty convenient, right? Now, this is the time to boost your dropshipping business and add products that can become bestsellers in your store. And for today's product selection, I used Zik Analytics to base my choices on data. And you will see throughout the video that the margins on Christmas related products are huge, and the sales stats that I share with you are definitely going to increase even more as we approach the holiday date. So enough talking, let's just get started with the products. And the first product that I'm going to show you today is this dinosaur touch sensor night light. I don't know about you, but this item is starting to become a hit, especially on TikTok and Instagram. And personally, I've been recommended ads for touch sensor night lights feature all kinds of animals. It's crazy. I've received options like bunnies, cats, dogs, and even ducks. And I believe that this niche of touch sensor night lights with cute animals would be one of the hottest trends this holiday season. Now, to understand this product niche better, check out this TikTok video. So as you can see, basically, by touching it, the color changes, making it a great gift for a child or even adults who enjoy cute little items. It could be a nice gift for girlfriend, for example. But now, the cool thing is that after reviewing this product, I see that this dropshipping store is selling for basically £30 plus £10 for shipping. So that's totally around £40, which is around 52 American dollars, right? And to check the performance of this product, what I did is I just copied the store's URL and I pasted into Zik's store sales tracker. And look at this right here. I can see that this product is one of the best sellers of the store, having sold 68 times in the past 30 days. Now, I want to check the sourcing price of this product using AliExpress. And for this, I'll just click here in the item finder. All right, look at this. How many options we have here. We have so many options. So we can just go with one of them. For example, this one right here, and look at this. This is the exact same product, even with the same color variations, and the price is only $16.38,
including the shipping fee.
Can you believe it? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? The same item is being sold in the dropshipping store for 3 times more. Now, let's get to the fun part and calculate how much this dropshipping store made from this product alone, sourced from AliExpress. So the dropshipping store sells this item for 52 American dollars, including shipping. And the Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. So that's $1.80. And the price on AliExpress is $16.38, including shipping. So the profit from each sale is $31.76. And with 68 sales in the past 30 days, the store made around $2,160 in profit before accounting for ad and operational expenses. This product is, relatively simple and can be easily sourced from AliExpress, as you saw here, so many options. And relying on data in my research helped me understand the true potential of a product that I wouldn't have thought that could be so successful. Now, let's move to the next item in our list, which is personally one of my favorite Christmas products. And I think this item symbolizes the holiday spirit. This one right here is the Santa Claus sweater. If you didn't know, like wearing funny sweaters is quite common during Christmas season. And this product has one of the cutest and funniest patterns I've seen recently with the, Santa Claus with sunglasses. I think it's pretty cool. I see, I'm not a huge fan of selling wearable items because of the potential of high returns, but this product is different. Since this item is mainly for wearing at home, the size doesn't need to be perfect fit. Most buyers will prefer to buy larger sizes so they can be like cozy in this sweater, right? And that's why this product is ideal for drop shipping. And let's look at the prices. The item is sold for $38.95 plus $6.89 a shipping fee. So that's a total of $45.84, which I would say is quite reasonable for a product like this. And by scanning the store in Zik Analytics, I saw that this product sold, check it out, 56 times in the past 30 days. And when I click on the item finder, same thing happened as the last item. It brought me so many options. Look at this. Now, let's just go with one of them. For example, this one right here. This is the exact same item that we saw in the dropshipping store. And the price for this item is only $18.31 plus free shipping. So after calculations, the same calculations that we did before, the profit from each sale is $25.59. And with 56 sales in the past 30 days, the store made around $1,500 in profit before ads and operational expenses. Now, this is a pretty decent profit for just one product out of many listed in this store. But here's a tip from me. If you like this item, I would recommend adding at least 2 or 3 variations to your dropshipping store to see which ones sell the best. Sometimes buyers want to purchase more than one style, so having more options in your store is quite beneficial. And I'm wondering, what are you thinking about these 2 first products? Like, are you planning to give them a try? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you want to enhance your product research and just ensure that you're adding the best items that can perform well during the upcoming sales peak. And you can start today by subscribing to Zik Analytics for just $1 for the first week. Yes, just $1 for the first week. So the next item is one of the most brilliant products that you can add to your store for the upcoming Christmas season. It's this manual firewood splitter. And sometimes it's important just to think outside the box. And let me tell you why. At first glance, you might wonder, how is this product related to Christmas? Well, for those who don't know, many homes in the US have fireplaces, which are mainly used during the Christmas season to warm the house and create that cozy atmosphere for the family living there. And to back my thoughts with data, just take a look at this Google Trends results right here. I searched for the term, how to start fireplace. And guess what? You can see that this term peaks right before Christmas, my friends. This indicates that the demand for products that make starting a fireplace easier is particularly relevant during this season. And the cool thing is that this manual fireplace splitter is a great gift idea, but also useful for personal use. And with this product, people can easily cut their wood for fireplace, and the demand for items like this tends to be higher just before Christmas. So it's perfect timing. And also, marketing a product like this is just straightforward. Simply show how the product works, like show in action, and generate high engagement. And this store does a great job using GIFs that highlight how easy it is to split wood with this device. And this product is sold for $34.79 plus $6.89 for shipping. So that's a total of $41.68. And using Zik Analytics store sales tracker, I can see that this product sold, look at this, 60 times. And I'm not surprised to find that it's also the best selling item in this dropshipping store. And when I looked for this exact item on AliExpress, I found this item for $13.22 with free shipping. So the profit from each sale is $27. And with 60 sales in the past 30 days, the store made around $1,800 in profit before ad and operational expenses. Not bad. And if you have a general or niche dropshipping store, this item can be a fantastic addition to your product line. Okay, so these days, there are more people that are making food at home. And I would say that especially after the COVID-19 era, the home cooking became more popular among people worldwide. And because of it, kitchen tools and gadgets are in high demand since then, especially as Christmas gifts or, for those who want to cook at home. And that's why I found this really cool, cute dumpling maker right here. And I think it's a perfect product because it's easy to market and find accurate audience in case you're using paid ads to your dropshipping store. So let's go over this. This store is selling this dumpling maker for £19.99 plus £9.99 for shipping. So that's a total of £29.98, which is around $38.85. Now, using Zik Analytics, I found that this product sold 54 times last month. And once you click here in the item finder, you see these options? So many options. So let's go with this one. Let me open here. And it costs $5.91 normal price, okay? Plus $1.99 because this is an AliExpress choice product that costs less than $10. So after calculations, the profit from each sale is $29.54. And with 54 sales in the past month, the store made around $1,600 in profit before accounting for ad and operational expenses. And the next product is a great Christmas gift for couples. And to be honest, this is one of the best couple gifts I've seen recently. And I am more than sure that this item can also become a best-selling item for Valentine's Day. Check out this product. It comes with a bracelet and a necklace. And the necklace features a key that opens the bracelet. Like, really, have you seen something this cute as couples gift recently? If you have seen anything like this, write in the comments below. I'm curious to know. And this item costs only $22.85 plus $6.89 for shipping. So that's a total price of $29.74, which is reasonable for a product that can be shared by two people. And using the Zik Store Sales Tracker, I see that this product was sold 40 times in the past 30 days. And by clicking on the product finder, again, look at this magic. Look how many options it shows up. And so let's pick one of them, like this one right here, like this. And this is the same item. And it costs only $11.27 with free shipping. And I also see that there are more models for this item, which could be great to add to my dropshipping store. So the profit for each sale is $17.45. And with 40 sales in the past 30 days, the store made around $700 in profit before ad and operational expenses. So before I show you the last product for today, I would be really happy to know what you think about these products and about the video in general. And if you want to start your own Shopify business, just check the link in this video description.
As of today, the trial allows you to use Shopify free for 3 days. And after that, you can continue for 3 months at only $1 per month.
Really, what are you waiting for? Just give it a try now. Are you ready for the last item on today's list? So meet the auto tracking tripod. And this product can easily become one of the best Christmas gifts, appealing to a wide audience, from young people wanting to shoot themselves dancing or cooking to vloggers and YouTubers and so on. So basically, this tripod tracks your movements, and by adding your phone to it, it acts like your personal cameraman, capturing you in action. It's a really nice concept, and the price is quite good too. In US dollars, it's only $59.99 plus $9.99 for shipping. So that's a total of $69.98. Now, using Zik Analytics, I can see that this auto tracking tripod has sold 36 times in the past 30 days. And after clicking in the product finder, I found this item right here. Check it out. The price is only $35.05 normal price with free shipping. And there are 2 more color variations, which is great because I can offer these additional colors in my store. So after calculations, the profit from each sale is $32.63. With 36 sales in last month, the store made around $1,200 in profit before ad and operational expenses. All right, Zickers, thank you so much for watching till now. I really appreciate it, and look, the exciting part is that sales stats for the products that I show you today are likely to increase even more as we approach mid-December. I'm serious. Things are just gonna skyrocket, okay? And I hope this video has given you some great ideas about what you can sell in your dropshipping business. Don't forget to like this video, keep moving forward, and see you next time.